Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.
Audio Jungle.
Guys, how we are doing today? In this video I want to share with you a very healthy meal or food, vegetables, name it, breakfast recipes with all natural ingredients used that will help you boost or obtain all the basic nutrients of the day. This recipe contains very important vitamins, nutrients, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial property that will help you, the man, to boost your testosterone. You, the man, to when you eat all this food, your joystick gonna be stiffer, harder. You're gonna rock like a Superman at night. They are very healthy power. Your powerhouse will be like a horse, no joke. These are the food you need to keep eating. If your joystick is not working, you can't go longer, you can't go in minutes. It's not harder, your wife is nagging. These are the kind of food you should be eating every day to boost your testosterone, to boost your stamina, to make your joystick happy and effective. Okay, guys? People with low testosterone or, low libido, they can't perform well, they can't go longer, may be able to raise their levels by eating certain food, such as ginger, fatty fish, and some vegetable. Testosterone is a male sex hormone that plays a role in infertility, sexual function, bone health, and muscle mass. A person's testosterone level will fall naturally with age by 1 to 2% per year, but some medical conditions, lifestyles, choice, and other factors can influence the amount of this hormone in the body. Okay, guys, so when you keep eating all this food that will boost your testosterone, a person with low testosterone may benefit from, trying to eat ginger, make a fresh ginger tea, buy ginger root. Oyster contains more zinc per serving than any other food, and zinc is important for sperm health and reproductive function. Male with severe zinc deficiency may develop this problem. They can't function properly. So by eating oyster, eating some kind of seafood like shellfish, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, pomegranates, fortified plant milk, vitamin D, things that contain vitamin D, things that contain vitamin C, milk, dairy products, orange juice, cereal that contains vitamin D. You eat olive oil, use olive oil to do your cooking, to dress your salad. They are packed with antioxidant. They are packed with vitamin E. The oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, and it contains vitamin E. Like I say, this food factor likely contribute to the food health benefits. Extra virgin olive oil, buy the unfiltered one. Onions is good. Onions may provide many health benefits, from supporting the heart to slimming the waistline. They also are good source of several nutrients and antioxidants. You see, onions, you can blend it, you can eat it raw, you can chop it in your salad. Okay, boost your testosterone. You can make your joystick harder. You go longer by eating tuna. Tuna is rich in vitamin D. Tuna is very healthy. You can eat low-fat milk that contains vitamin D. You can eat egg yolk. Egg yolk are another rich source of vitamin D as well. While cholesterol has a bad reputation, egg yolk contain more nutrients than white eggs. So if you are suffering from cholesterol as well, eat the white part of the egg. Avoid the yellow part. Fortified cereal, like I said before. Oyster, like I said before. Seafood, beef. You can eat with salad. Beans, assorted kind of beans. They are healthy. For you man struggling that you can't go 45 seconds, you can't go 45 seconds, you only go you can't go 45 minutes, only 30 seconds. That is not good. You need to eat all this food, all these vegetables, to boost your energy and stamina. Try and get a good sleep. A good sleep help as well. Reduce your alcohol intake, get a lot of exercise, reduce your waistline. Onions and garlic are very good. They help you make more, they help you make more better sperm, sperm. You eat lean beef, chicken, fish, and eggs as some of your options. Tofu, nuts, seed that have proteins, go for fish. Eat a lot of green leaves. They contain magnesium, like spinach. They are packed full of vitamins and minerals. Cashew nut, peanuts is there. Almond nut is there. Snack on them. Pomegranate is there. They are very good. They are very good source of minerals. They boost your testosterone as well. They make your manhood to be happy. Eat a bowl of salad with grilled chicken, tomatoes, vegetables. Put in some pomegranate and chop in some avocado pear in your salad. Like I said before, testosterone is an essential hormone for both men and women, but its role is more significant in men who have higher levels. It contributes to make sexual health and develop fertility, muscles growth, fat loss, and other aspects of health. Testosterone level falls in men as they age. There is also concern about an overall drop in testosterone levels in the world, or some part of the world. But there are natural ways you can use to boost your energy. There are different food you will take that will boost, will make your joystick harder. You go longer, you stay longer, you enjoy your relationship, you enjoy your marriage. Your manhood will be working perfectly due to all this food you are seeing. You eat them, snack on them, have good sleep, do exercises, rest. Don't let stress overtake you. Eat food that contains nutrient, antioxidants, have enough vitamin D in your body or in your diet. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamins that your body produces upon exposure to sunlight. People with limited exposure to sunlight may have low level of vitamin D. So it is active form. Vitamin D functions as a steroid hormone in the body. So you need to eat food that contains vitamin D to make your manhood to be harder. You go stronger. Even if you have 3 wives, you can rock them all through the night without getting tired. You will accomplish your tasks. You will stand as a man. Fenugreek is very good. It's very healthy. Turmeric, ginger, garlic, onions, all those things, we cook them. We use them in our everyday food. They boost your testosterone. They boost your manhood. So it's not only the men that have low libido that don't really enjoy, enjoyment in the night with their partner. Sometimes the women to suffer it too, but the men to suffer it. So both of you can have pumpkin seed, almond seed, both rich in zinc, magnesium, and protein. Take a handful of all these nuts every day. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, sesame seed. Put it in your porridge, put it in your salad, put it in your soup. Make sure you eat leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale. These are very rich in magnesium, vitamin B6, and iron. Eat them daily. This will boost your energy. This will really boost your energy in performing as a man and the woman as well will have that stamina to stand you as well. So both of you can enjoy each other every night. When the night is drawing near, both of you are anxious. Oh, let the night come. We want to go and play, you know, want to go and play football in the bedroom as couple. And both of you, nobody will win. You all two of you will score the goal. You score the goal, yeah. And also garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. Allicin, which can be useful for lowering your cortisol level. Cortisol is produced in the ana gland, which is where testosterone is produced. When your body is under stress, you know, you can't perform. So you need to relieve yourself and eat all this food. Egg are a fantastic source of protein. You know, they contain vitamin D and omega-3, all of which aid this production for your manpower, for your joystick, for your banana to be active. Almond seed, like I said before, oyster, spinach, porridge oats, lemon and lime, salmon, fish, tuna. Bananas are powerful. Bananas contain an enzyme called bromelain, which is known to help boost your testosterone level. Bananas are also excellent for maintaining energy levels and reducing antioxidants. So makes the perfect on-the-go snack. With banana, you know, you eat healthy. You know, another powerful fruit is grapes, seedless grapes, for more active sperm, for more active, for more active, for your joy and joystick to be active. Eat a bunch of red grapes daily to give you your own hanging fruit a boost. It contains vitamins, antioxidant, which makes for harder sperm. Wow, seedless grape, the red one, they are powerful. Even the green one as well. Always eat a bowl of salad with assorted leaves, tomatoes, cucumber. You know, mix all the veggies. They are powerful. Honey are very good. Whatever you eat, you do salad, make sure you use honey. You the man, you know, honey for better blood flow. For extra buzz in the bedroom, dip into honey. It contains the mineral boron, links to high testosterone. Honey is also rich in lactic oxidant. You know, this is the key in opening up blood vessels that create erections. Wow, 4 teaspoons of honey can boost your level to 50%. Wow, guys, take honey. Keep taking honey. Honey, milk. Milk is powerful. Yogurt is powerful. They all boost that your stamina, you know. Milk is very good. Milk, like I said before. Garlic is another powerful one again.